Hey everyone, finally back with a new video, and this time around I have help from my lovely niece. She has to do this thing for school, so we're going to make a video. So, today we're making butter chicken. Here we go. This is our way that we're doing it. First, we have a tandoori masala and the garam masala marinated in with the chicken. It's been marinating for a couple hours. Legend's going to put that right into the pot and start stirring it around. So she's going to stir around the chicken. We're going to cook it most of the way. And I'm going to hand her things to put in there one at a time. The recipe, as always, will be in the description. Okay, as you can see, the chicken is almost cooked. So to this, we're going to add onion. And we're going to let that go in there and stir that around. Let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes to get it nice and translucent, lucent, whatever that word is. Now once the onions are cooked, we are going to add garlic, fresh garlic. And cook that until you can start to smell it. Okay, now once the garlic is cooked through, 1 can of crushed tomatoes. Directly into the pot. Okay, so you can see that it's bubbling away. She's going to give it a stir a couple times, and then she's going to turn the heat down to medium. So when she turns the heat down to medium, I'm going to come from around the other side of the camera and slowly pour in the milk while she keeps stirring. And you want to keep stirring until everything comes together in one color. And it's that tomatoey pink color that we all love with butter chicken. And I forgot to put this in, some butter, softened. Supposed to go in earlier, but I completely forgot. You're looking about a half a cup altogether. Stir that in and let it melt. And once the butter melts, we are going to let this come up to a simmer and let it simmer for about a half hour so everything can mingle and get happy. Okay, so Legend and I let this simmer for about a half hour, and in the meantime, while that was doing that, we cooked a small pot of rice, and this is how we do it. Oh, a lot of liquid. Oh well. And Legend is going to scoop up some of this in the bowl and make sure you get some chicken and sauce. And there you go. Butter chicken and rice. That's it. Enjoy.